In today's video, I'm using 5 products to create a beautiful no makeup look that you can recreate in under 10 minutes. Hi everybody, it's Cathy. Welcome to Cathy Over 50, where I share easy everyday makeup and skincare videos and fashion videos for the over 50 woman, and I would really like it if you subscribed. So in today's video, I chose 5 products. Some are drugstore, some are higher end. I'm meshing the 5 together to come up with a 5 product natural makeup look, a no makeup look in under 10 minutes. If you would like to see more of these types of videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Today I decided to use the L'Oreal Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream, and I got it in the shade Light. The reason why I chose a BB cream is if you're new to makeup or if you just want a no makeup look, I thought that this was a great option and is a drugstore product, so it's not too expensive. I really have been enjoying this. I believe it comes in 3 different shades and an anti-redness one. I really want to try that one to see how it would work with my rosacea, but surprisingly, the Light has done a great job every time I've used it of just evening out my complexion and covering the redness that I do have from my rosacea. So the difference between a BB cream and a tinted moisturizer and a color corrector or CC cream, a BB cream moisturizes and primes, but if you layer it, it can actually give you a flawless makeup look, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So I'm just gonna squeeze that much, and as you can see, it's kind of a white looking cream. I do have redness on my skin, and I just like to dot it on and then rub it in. And can you see it does have a slight tint to it? And that's why I really like it, because for me, for most days, it just does a good enough job at just covering up my redness and any imperfections. Now, mind you, if you have a lot of redness or sun damage that you want to hide, this product probably isn't the best for you. You'd probably want to go with a tinted moisturizer or a CC cream. But I think this is a great starting point for somebody new to makeup, or if you just want, you know, a look where your complexion looks smooth. And the great thing about this, you can use your hands to put it on. You don't need any special brushes or sponges. So as you can see, I think it did a really nice job of evening out my complexion, and I find that it gives me a nice, dewy, almost sun-kissed look. If you have redness or rosacea in your skin, you may be interested in this makeup tutorial where I walk you through the steps of covering up any redness in your face. So my next product that I'm going with today is a bronzer, and I particularly really like this bronzer, but you know, you could find one at the drugstore. I'm just using the products that I have and love, and it's by Charlotte Tilbury. And the reason why I chose a bronzer is it is going to, not that the BB cream has to be set, but I think being it's a powder is just going to help it stay on longer, but also the bronzer is just going to give me a little bit of warmth to my skin. And this is really a beautiful bronzer. So I'm just using the Ball Wand brush by IT Cosmetics, and I basically just go all over my face. I'm not using it to contour, I'm just adding color to my face. Eyebrows are so important, and if you do nothing else, you want to do your eyebrows and a little bit of lip gloss, and to me that just totally changes your whole look. And this is my favorite eyebrow pencil. I have bought this so many times. I've never found another one that has lived up to this one. The thing that I like about it is that it works on pressure. So basically, if you want dark eyebrows, you just press really hard. And if you want lighter eyebrows, you just do lighter strokes. So it's really a great pencil, and it doesn't budge all day. And if you want a more in-depth eyebrow tutorial, be sure to check out this video where I will link a card. So basically, I just like to do small, gentle strokes and go over the very fair eyebrows hairs that I have now. This is just a really quick everyday look. So you see the difference between this eyebrow being done and this one not being done. It really frames the face. And in my eyebrow tutorial, I walk you through where to start the eyebrow, where to put the arch, and where to end it. And then I just go through with the spoolie on the other end and just kind of sweep what little bit of hair that I do have up. So the fourth step in my 5-step no makeup look for women over 50 is mascara. Mascara will just open up the eyes. This is a new discovery to me. It's a Charlotte Tilbury push-up lashes. I love this mascara. You're gonna see how it creates huge lashes for me. And I have very straight, sparse, and blonde eyelashes. I don't curl them. I just use the mascara wand as it comes out of the container. And this mascara I'm in love with. If you want something else, I also like the Cosmetics Tightline mascara because it looks like I've tightlined my waterline. The Cosmetics Superhero mascara does a great job as well. And for drugstore options, I think it's a L'Oreal Infallible. I'll link everything below. So you can see the brush on this, how it's going to separate my lashes. And just look at that, the lash separation and how it's curled my lashes compared to the eye that I haven't done yet. It's really, really a lovely mascara. I'm not crazy about the wand. It is a bit of a hard plastic feel, but it really does a beautiful, beautiful job. I never put mascara on my bottom lashes. It's just personal preference. I don't like how it looks on my bottom lashes. The final step in my no makeup look is lip gloss. And the one I'm going to use today is by Milani. It's a lip plumping lip gloss. I like this one. It's a drugstore brand. I also like the Charlotte Tilbury lip glosses. Bobbi Brown has some nice lip glosses. I'm a lip gloss fanatic, so I have tried a lot of lip glosses, but I just wanted to incorporate drugstore and more higher end makeup in my tutorial, just kind of to make everybody happy. And that is my no makeup look. I think that the BB cream really did a nice job of giving me a nice dewy sun-kissed glow. You can see how the eyebrow pencils really framed my face with my eyebrows. The push-up lashes mascara really makes my eyes pop even without any eyeliner or eye makeup. And the bronzer really warmed up my face, and the lip gloss just sealed the deal for this no makeup look. And for those of you that wear glasses like me, I just wanted to show you what this look looks like with glasses on. Sorry for the glare from the lights, but you can see it really, even wearing my glasses, you can see the effect of the mascara, and I think that it's a really pretty everyday look. So if you want to see more easy everyday makeup and style videos for the over 50 woman, I really hope that you'll subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and enjoyed it, and have yourself a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.